Assalamu alaikum class. In this lecture, we will learn about the set and set operations. What is set? Set is the collection of well-defined distinct objects. In definition of set, we have to focus on two things. First is well-defined and second one is distinct. Distinct means different. Each and everything in the set should be different. Now what is well-defined? Well-defined. How you understand the word well-defined? Suppose you have to ask to collect the intelligent student in some class. Suppose you have to ask collect the intelligent student in class 7. That is not well defined. Suppose you collect the students, you think that this student is intelligent, one of them student is intelligent, and some other may think that that student is not intelligent. It means this is not well defined. Or if you have to ask the collection of tasty foods, then the word tasty is not well defined. Suppose one dish you may feel tasty, but the same dish some other may not feel the tasty. The word tasty is not well defined. It means it is not a set. Or if you have to ask to collect the beautiful students in the class, then in this case word beautiful is not well defined, because the sense of beauty is not same for everyone. Suppose one student may be beautiful for someone, and the same student may not be beautiful for other. The set, if you have to ask the please collect those intelligent student of class 7 who got the 80% marks, more than 80% marks in annual, then this is the set, because the collection of intelligent student, word intelligent is not well defined, but you can easily collect the students who got the more than 80%, so this is a set. So you must be understand the word well defined for the definition of set. Next is the type of set. What there are some types, common types of set. Empty set. Empty set has no element. It may also be called null set. It is represented by this one or this one. Second one is subset. If we have two set, each element of the first set is also an element of second set, then first element is said to be subset of the second element. It is represented by this symbol. First set may be equal to second set, or it may be smaller to the second set. Third one is the proper subset. If each element of the first set is also element of the second set, but it is not equal to the second set, then it is said to be proper subset. It is represented by this symbol. Universal set. Suppose you have to given a large number of set, the set which contain element of all other set and the bigger than all the other set is said to be universal set. Usually it is denoted by U. These are some common types of the set. Next is the set operation. There is some common operation of the set. Complement. Complement is the difference of the from the universal set. It is denoted by, suppose we have a set A. You want to calculate the complement of A, it is denoted by U minus A, or it may also be denoted by A dash, or it may also be denoted by A complement. U minus A contain all those elements which are present in U but not present in A. Union set. The union of two set A and B is denoted by A union B. It contains all elements of A and B. Intersection of two set is denoted by A intersection B. It contains the common element of A and B. The elements which are also present in A and are also present in B will be in intersection. Here's some logic interpretation of the set. Logic interpretation mean what is mean of A union B. It means A and B, the elements which are present in A and B. Suppose you have in set A 1 2, set B 1 3, then A union B will be 1 2